Hi everyone. I'm just gonna give you a quick demo on how the reorder and the customization of the contextual sidebar is happening right now. So in views, we have added a new section which it says reorder sidebar. It has a beta tag along with it, and here you can see my customizable setting for the sidebar. Over here, you see those are live. So as I toggle on and off the description, I can see on the right hand side. I can move sections up and down. So for example, references I feel should be at the top. So here are the references at the top. For example, if I select a translation, should be able to see the quality assurance over here on the beneath. Over here is the second thing. If I want it to be on the top, I just bring this. I can turn off the sections like meta information. I don't want it. I just can completely turn it off. Likewise with the activity and tags, we know some of the localization managers want it at the top. Now they can simply move it and see jobs at the top. So that's how it works. Also completely hide, and this is per user, so every user can customize the contextual sidebar according to their preferences, their liking, and their working. So that's something which would be possible. And yeah, it's in beta. We'll continue to learn on this. How can we further improve on this and bring more customizability further on. But this is what is currently available to everybody, each plan and every user. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.